Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to take full body measurements for an abaya or a dress. These measurements can be used for both kids and adults. Let's get right into it. First measurement, dress length. You will step on the measuring tape at number 1, measure across your body like this to your shoulder. Next, shoulder measurements. You will measure if you're wearing a shirt or a dress, wherever those shoulder straps are, measure from there to the other end. Now moving on to circumferences, the part of the measurements that you are going to divide either by 2 or 4. First, bust measurement. You will not measure too high or too low. You will measure right in the middle. Here I am a bit too high, so where this line is, this is where you measure from. Next measurement, waist is typically the smallest part of your body. Next is your hip, not your true hip. So you have your waist here, you have your true hip where you normally wear your pants, and then you have your hip. Now measuring the up and down, you do not divide with these measurements. Starting from the shoulder, not like this, but right in the middle, shoulder all the way to your nipple area. You will go under your boob like this, hold that in place, and go all the way down to your waist area. Next is going to be your hip area, your biceps. Make sure to flex to get the biggest part. Then your arm length. Last but not least, your wrist. And now for the wrist, I normally don't measure like this. I measure mine's right here like so. And this is just so it can give me a room to put my sleeves out if I'm taking wudu. The only time that you will see me measuring the wrist, it is if I am making styles like this, because they will normally have elastic, and then I will measure my wrist. That concludes it. We will use these measurements later on to make a dress for an abaya. So make sure you save this video, like, and if you haven't already, subscribe.